Scaption with dumbbells. Grabbing your lightest dumbbells. These are 1 pound dumbbells. Grab your lightest dumbbells, hinge forward at the hips with your thumbs facing forward and your palms facing in. Keeping your arms slightly wider than shoulder width apart, you're going to raise up and raise your hands slightly higher than shoulder width. Keep your shoulders down and back. Lower slow. Raise up into a soft Y and lower slow. If this position is too intense for you, you can lay on your stomach and you can do it from the floor. Starting from laying flat on your stomach, thumbs up, palms in, arms out at a soft Y. Lay your head on the floor, drop your shoulders away from your ears, raise your arms, lower slow, up and down. That is a modified version of Scaption.